YouTube is pushing small channels, small creators more than ever before. So if you are a small YouTuber out there or you are just starting out your YouTube channel, congratulations, because what I'm about to share with you right now is literally going to blow your mind. That is, this update is going to help you get more visibility, more watch hours, more subscribers. That is if and only if you are going to pay attention. If you notice, there are so many channels you come across with less than 300 subscribers, they are getting the views. A student of mine who started her YouTube channel, I think that was December last year, her very first upload, after we both optimized the video with one secret strategy which I'm still going to be sharing with us in this video. That video has currently gotten over 2.2k views, and this is a channel with less than 50 subscribers. So have you seen that no matter the amount of subscribers you have, you can literally go viral? Even with your 5 subscriber, you can go viral. So try your best to make sure you pay attention to this particular very video, because I'm about to blow your mind. Okay, and with that much being said, let's dive straight into the video. Now, there is a very big misunderstanding when it comes to YouTube recommending, pushing out, or even promoting videos. Most new YouTubers or most creators think that YouTube promotes channel. Nah, the thing is, YouTube does not even know us by our channels. The only thing the YouTube algorithm is after, they only promote video, not channel. So they do not even look at your channel. If you're having 10 subscribers, I won't push this video. Okay, this person have 200k subscribers, I will push the video. Now let me shock you, there are some big channels you come across, channels with over 200,000 views, and some of their videos will barely get up to 1,000 views. There's this YouTuber in my niche. She has 1.5 million subscribers. But funny enough, some of her video barely cross 1,000 views. They promote a video that performs very well. So whether you have 10 subscribers and you are able to produce a video that is very, very engaging, video that people are clicking on to watch, the duty of the YouTube algorithm is to pick it up and start showing it to more audience. That is just how it is. So stop feeling that, oh, for the fact that I only have 2 subscribers, I'm not going to get that visibility. Now back to this my student channel I told you guys about. The very first day we posted this video on our channel, I was the only person subscribed to the channel. But this video that was posted around December last year has currently hit 2.2k views. I hope you're able to understand now that it's not all about subscriber. It's about your content, the video. Subscribers does not guarantee views. I've said this over and over again. So right now, we're going to be going straight to what you need to do now for the YouTube algorithm to actually pick up your content and show it to more people, which in return is going to bring views, subscribers, and watch hours. Okay, so basically there are 3 things that YouTube look out for when promoting a particular video. Now, the very first thing is the click-through rates, how people are behaving with your video. See, you have to remove that mindset of, as a new channel, if I post my video, the YouTube algorithm, the video is just going to be there till I'm able to gather some amount of subscriber. You go ahead and start posting shorts. You gather the subscribers to your channel. You go back and start posting long video, and you will still not get views. That's just how it is. You have to understand that even though your channel is new or you create it today, you post video, the duty of YouTube is to at least start showing the video to people. So if people are not clicking on the video to watch, maybe your thumbnail is not engaging enough, your title is not grabbing people's attention to the video, or let's assume somebody even click on your video and the person is swiping off immediately, that is the reason why your video might not actually perform very well. So you have to pay attention to your content. You have to pay attention to your title. You have to pay attention to your thumbnail. So let's use that my student channel for example. When she wanted to create her first video, I used to say this, as a YouTuber, you need to check out for somebody in your niche, somebody creating the kind of content you are doing, and always use that person as an inspiration. So for that particular video, I think her inspiration was coming from financial Jennifer, because the niche is how to make money niche, right? So we picked out a particular topic that she has done before on her channel, which performed well. Then she went ahead and make her own video. She didn't even say what the lady said in her own video. That is, she came up with her own point, but the thumbnail idea and the title idea was coming from that of Financial Jennifer's channel. Then the next thing we did was to properly optimize the video. You all need to see the average view duration of that same video and the impression click-through rate. It went very high. So this was one of the reasons why that particular video performed very well. That was a channel with only one subscriber, which was coming from me. So have you seen that your channel do not need to have 1k sub before you go viral and get up to 2.2k views? So have you seen that your channel do not need those high number of subscribers for you to actually get viral moments? So the second thing YouTube look out for, or before a video will go viral, one of the things YouTube pay attention to is the retention, which simply means how long do people spend on your video. Now you have to understand that sometimes click-through rate is not always enough, because one of the things that YouTube prioritize the most is video retention, which is how long a particular viewer spent watching your content. And this is where your hook comes into action. So from time to time, as a YouTuber, you need to learn how to use a powerful hook. Hook is simply those your first few sentences before your video starts, and there are different pattern of hook. There are some comedy style pattern of hook. Just try your best to study your channel and test run different pattern of hook and see the one that actually suits well with your channel. One mistake that we do is from time to time we keep on repeating one particular style, one particular kind of hook. I'm a kind of person that on my channel I cannot count how many thumbnail design pattern I have tried before I finally come to a conclusion that this recent one I am using actually performs well more with my audience. So you being able to calm down and analyze all these things is going to literally help you as a beginner YouTuber. Okay, so now the third thing the YouTube algorithm pay much closer attention to before a video finally goes viral is the repeat watchers. Does that even make sense? That is, this simply means how your subscribers are or how people are actually interacting with your video. Let's assume a subscriber come across your channel for the very first time. Oh wow, loves what he or she saw. Then the next time you upload video, of course YouTube is going to push your video to that subscriber. So if that person from time to time keeps on clicking on your video to watch, that continuous engagement is now coming to your channel. Obviously the YouTube system, they're going to see that okay, this channel, the videos are quite valuable, and this also helps in promoting the video more. So you have to try your best to always link similar videos in your channel to one particular playlist, because when it comes to YouTube recommendation, you see end screen, YouTube cards, and playlists. They are very, very good. They help in making YouTube to suggest our video more and more. That is, a viewer can be watching one video from your channel. If it is linked to other playlists or end screen on your channel, then the YouTube algorithm is going to keep promoting those videos on your channel to that particular audience. Okay, so you have to understand that if you're able to crack these three codes that I just listed for us, it's really going to help your content pop up on search results and get that maximum visibility. Okay, so the thing is, YouTube pays attention more to viewers satisfaction, and that is why if you upload a video and your audience engage really well with the video, the more people watch your video, the more YouTube shows your video to new people, whether subscribe to your channel or not. Okay, so here is exactly why, that is one of the reasons why small channel will always win. The good thing is, as a small channel, as an upcoming YouTuber, you will try to niche down and focus to one particular niche, while as a big creator, most of the times you want to make video just for the sake of making video in order for it to go viral, for you to get that visibility. Sometimes we might make a video on YouTube rule. So for the fact the previous one performed well, we want to create updated version of it, and before you know it, it looks like you are recycling your content. There is nothing new again for you to do on your channel. But as a small YouTuber, you guys have this opportunity of making YouTube to actually understand your channel earlier enough, and that is one of the reason why they keep pushing the channel from time to time. There are some small faceless channels that just started which day, before you know it, they hit one viral video. Just like when I was newly building my faceless YouTube channel, I think I was still on about 85 subscriber when I went viral to over 27,000 views. It works. So what you have to do now as a small YouTuber, let your attention not be on pursuing subscriber. Just calm down and pay attention, pay close attention to your content itself. If you're able to crack this particular code, then you will discover that getting every other stuff is not even going to be difficult for you at all. Okay, so another thing you can just do continuously, I stated this towards the beginning of this video. Try to get a creator doing exactly what you're doing in your niche, then try to get inspiration. I still use this same strategy to also give one of my students her first viral video on still this same how to make money niche, using the same idea I discussed about earlier on. So all this strategy, they actually work. The thing is, you don't do it once and you relax. You might try it for this video, it didn't work. Try for the next video, it didn't work. Make your video from your wisdom. The next video, still try it. Just keep on test running things till you see that change, which you're definitely going to see. Okay, yeah, so that is going to be bringing us to the very end of this particular video. Then if you're struggling to get your 4,000 public watch hour, here is a detailed video that is going to actually guide you on what exactly you need to do for you to get those watch hours on your channel. Okay, so go ahead and watch that particular video and you'll be glad you did so. So now, if you've not liked this video, please do well to make sure you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to always get updated. Okay, and as always, I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye.